Hi kindergarten, I hope you guys are doing well. This week in science we are going to be talking about dinosaurs, which is pretty exciting. But before we dive into learning about different kinds of dinosaurs, I thought it would be important to start with who are those types of people, or what are their jobs that help discover things about dinosaurs? And these people are called paleontologists. Say it with me. Paleontologists. Now, you can see on the screen, it is people digging in the sand. They're using different kinds of tools to help them discover dinosaur bones, right? Because that's how we learn about dinosaurs, is by looking at the bones we find in the ground or things that have been left behind during the times of dinosaurs. So let's go ahead and I'm going to read the fun facts about paleontologists. So a paleontologist is a scientist who studies fossils. And fossils are those things that, like I said, are bones left behind from dinosaurs, and that's how they put together what they know about dinosaurs. Because none of us we weren't around during the times of the dinosaurs, so we can't really look for people who experienced seeing dinosaurs in real life, and so we have to look at the bones. Paleontologists try to figure out how things were a long time ago by studying fossil remains. Paleontologists spend a lot of time digging and studying the environment. Paleontologists dig for fossils all over the world. So they're able to find those fossils. That you can find them here in the United States, you find them in different countries, you can find them in a lot of different places. They use special tools to find the fossils, such as a shovel, a brush, geological hammer, a compass, a chisel, and a magnifying glass. Okay, so those are some different things that paleontologists use, what they do for their job to help us learn more about dinosaurs. Now, what we're going to do is, on the next slide, and you'll see it on the Google slide as well, is this page that you are able to print off, or else if you do not have a printer, you can just write it on a piece of paper. But there's some different facts about paleontologists. So I will help you do this. I'll do it with you. If you need to print it off and pause the video, or if you need to get a piece of paper to write down your answers, please do so. But I'll go ahead and get started. So it says, what is a paleontologist? What is a paleontologist? It's a scientist, right? Scientist, sorry, I'm using my finger, so it's not going to be my nicest handwriting. Scientists who study what? They study fossils, right? And fossils aren't always dinosaurs. They could be plants, they could be different things that have been left behind on the earth for us to find out about the past. And then it says, draw two things that a paleontologist uses. They could use a shovel, and you can, if you have different answers that you can think of, like, that's totally fine. You don't have to use these drawings. So we have a shovel. Another one was a brush. They can brush off the dust. So you can, here's my little brush. Yeah, so you can do different, they said a magnifying glass is another thing that they used. Some hammers, some geological hammers that you can use to chisel away the rock. Different things like that. So you don't have to do those tools, but you can use or draw different pictures too. So yeah, that's what we're learning about today. There is also a little video that you can watch too that is on the Google slides talking about paleontologists. And then tomorrow is where we get to start learning some fun facts about some different dinosaurs. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and thank you so much for listening. See you later.